friends, welcome to Ashrith Still. Today I'm going to make boats. Needed are we have scissors, paper, strong paper. Come, let's start it down. First step, we need to fold the paper to a triangle. Okay. Triangle, paper are soft. There you go. Next step, we cut the parts. There. Holding hand and put it forward. Then I cut. Oh, it's coming out. I can't do it. Now it looks like a diamond. It looks four side. It looks three side too. Next step, we fold like this. There you go. So beautiful. Next step, we need to fold like this. It's funny. I'm watching TV. Spider now. TV. Now we need to take this one paper and fold like this. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's a kite. Now we have to turn the paper this like this and fold like this. Wide way.
How does it look, Ashrith?
Triangle.
It looks like a triangle.
Yeah. So friends, one side be here, three side be here in the middle. I'm gonna open the middle like this. Big boaty. Wow, that's a big boaty. Like hat boaty. Have to fold like this.
How does it look, Ashrith, now? It looks like a kite?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, what's the next step?
We have to open this. Yes! Wow, it's a boat. Friends, the boaty. Make it like this and open it. Now, ta-da-da, boat!
So the boat is ready, Ashrith?
Yep.
What color boat is that?
Green!
Wow.
Green.
Oh, okay. Can you, so you do have lots of boats here. So can you tell us the colors of these boats and the size? They are like two different size, right? This one and this one. So can you tell us what's this?
This one is big and green. This one is small and green. This one is giant and dark green. This one is big and blue. This one is small and blue. This one is small and orange. This one is big and orange. This one is small, big. This one is big. This one is yellow. This one is small. This one is yellow. This one is big. This one is pink. This one is small. This one is pink.
So what are you going to do with these boats now?
We have to put it in the water.
Oh, do you have water?
Yep.
You're good.
I have to put my boats in my hand. Orange color, orange color. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Floating in the air.
Wow, it's floating. What's the next color?
Green.
What's the next color you have dropped there? There are two boats, right? One is orange and the other one?
Yellow, yellow color.
You didn't sing your rhymes, right? Yellow color. Sing that song.
Yellow color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
The next one?
Blue.
Wow, it's blue. Wow, it's floating. So can you sing your rhymes? Blue.
Blue color, where are you? Here I am, It's floating. Ew.
It's floating. Okay.
It's really floating.
Oh, okay. Then how many colors are still remaining?
3.
No, there are 3 colors, and you do have 2 more colors there, right?
Now we have to put this one here.
Yeah, okay.
Green color, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? That's a small one.
Okay.
Pink color, where are you? Here I am. How do you do?
Wow. So all your small boats are floating now.
Yep.
That's awesome, Ashrith.
My boat is just sinking.
Oh, it's sinking. It's going to sink. Why? It's going to sink.
We have water.
Oh, you have poured some water, so it's going to, but it's still floating. It's not yet sinked. So everything is floating now.
Yeah.
So all your small boats are floating. Where's your big boat? We are waiting for that.
Now I have to put this next to water. What's that heavy? On water.
Wow.
That's it.
Wow. Okay. Then,
I have to put the boats.
okay. Can you tell us the color?
Green color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Whee!
Wow.
What is float?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, it's going to sink.
Okay, I think it's going to sink. Let's see. Okay, you can drop other boats. You can drop the remaining boats. The next boat. You can take the next boat. Yep.
Pink color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Wow, that's everyone.
Next.
Green color, where are you? Here I am,
Very good. Wow.
Blue color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Woo! That one little bit place. Yellow color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Woo!
Wow.
Oh, it's still floating.
Wow.
Okay,
Awesome.
let the place.
Okay, you do have little bit space. Yeah. Go ahead.
Orange color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Oh.
I just jumped.
Okay.
That's pretty.
Wow. All your boats are floating.
Yeah. Ah!
What's up?
Like my videos, give me thumbs up. Please sub and subscribe my videos. Bye. Now it's 10.